So attention, long-term real estate investor. This is something that it took me a while to grasp, because the first time I've ever heard this, I almost walked out of the room. And then I've been on this rabbit hole now for like 6-7 years, and I love this space. I love helping people in this space. And this is what I've heard, right? This is in Florida. And the guy said, never pay off your mortgage. And here's the reason why. Because if you're dumping a lot of money into your mortgage, meaning you're taking $100,000, let's say you're a real estate investor, right? You're paying cash for everything. You're dumping that into a house. Rate of return on equity is 0, okay? Equity and appreciation is not the same. The house is gonna appreciate anyways, or it could crash, or the market could have a downturn, or it could skyrocket. You don't know what's gonna happen. I love real estate, right? I have some real estate, I have some rentals, I've done some flips, I've done some wholesale. This is an amazing investment, especially combined with the strategy that we teach, because if you have your money sitting somewhere, right? This is the infinite banking concept. We're putting our money in a position, and I want you to think about this, right? Instead of you, right? Let's say you're a long-term real estate investor. Instead of you taking that rental income from your rental investments, instead of you dumping it back into your house, inside your house, to pay off your mortgage faster, which is earning 0%, you can create these types of policies. And then the rental income, you're using that to build this asset class that's earning 5% with a death benefit attached to it, long-term care attached to it, and it's predator protected, meaning if you get sued, the money inside these policies can't be touched. So, I'm not sure if you follow that. You have a rental property, and the rental income on that property, you're storing it here in these policies, and it's earning for you. Something happens to the rental property, major renovation, whatever, tenant, whatever, there's a fix up that you need to do. Now you just borrow from your cash value and you use that to fix these things, right? That's how you kind of work it. But every time there's a rental income, multiple properties, you're building your cash value in these policies. And as this appreciates, this is also appreciating, okay? So now you have two asset class working together, appreciating together. And it's gonna come a point where every time you deposit $1 here, it's gonna turn to $2. You deposit $1 here, it's gonna turn to $3. Imagine the time, let's say in the next 10 years of building your wealth, right? You're growing both things. Now, a big part of this is when you're a real estate investor and you have your property sitting here, a lot of times the biggest problem for real estate investor is liquidity. I'm going through this right now. I'm trying to pull money from one of my rental properties. Guess what the bank wants? They want tax returns. They want W-2. They want tax return. They want to make sure that there's nothing going on in your financial economy that's gonna say that they're gonna deny you from accessing that equity, right? That money inside your house, in your own house. If you have these policies, it's literally a fax. The money is in your account in about 4 to 5 business days, no question asked, and they don't even care if you pay the loan or not, okay? So that's the flexibility of having these two assets class working together. Super important, guys. And if you want to learn more about this, shoot me a DM. I have a mortgage master course that I can give you guys for free. You can look at it. And if you want to learn more about it, again, you can always reach out to me. You can DM me or jump on my calendar, and we can do a call and Q&A or whatever. I can answer some of those questions for you. So I hope that makes sense. I know it's a lot, and again, for most people, they don't understand this. They're not understanding the concept where your money is working here and it's working here, right? Even when you're using it, your money is still working. So I hope that helped. Plan up.